Hello my dear friends and students. This video contains repairing kitchen sink drain leakage. This leakage caused by corrosion of center bolt and center nut on the basket strainer. As here bottom part of this sink there is pipe and bottom basket strainer. We should remove that with basket strainer and the pipe. This is the bottom basket strainer. Now you can remove this. You rotate and remove carefully. After that you can buy this basket strainer, new one, from any hardware shop. You see here carefully, you see here the threaded. This is the pipes, and black color one is the bottom basket strainer. This is a new one. You can buy from any hardware shop. New basket strainer and bottom and top one. The silver one is top basket strainer. Other one, black one, is bottom basket strainer, and washer also there. Now you can fix this. You can fix new basket strainer, black one. You rotate it. Put the washer on the top. Now you should fix it again and check. There is a gap in between the sink and the basket strainer. Yeah, you see there. Therefore, you should fill this gap. This length is not enough. You should increase this length by using the new pipe. Yeah. Take a new pipe and cut it. This new pipe is more than the previous one. Now you can fix now. Fix the basket strainer. Put the washer on the top. Now you fixed again. Yeah, it's very accurate length. Now you adjust the center bolt and nut. This is the top basket strainer and nut. Fix it and screw it. You fix it and screw it, but don't more tighter. Slowly you tight it and stop it. Now open the tap and check. Is very good. Thank you, friend and students. You should learn about technology and mathematics, everything. Thank you.